platform. This is Mr. Mlonga, aka the teacher, here to do mathematics indeed. Be ready for the lesson that is coming forth. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe so that every time we post a video, you are the first to be notified. We'll be posting videos every day. On the solving board, we have a matrix M, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. When we say 2 by 2 matrix, it means it has got 2 rows and 2 columns. These are rows, these are columns. Then the question is to find the value of x if determinant of M is equal to 22. So we have to find the value of x provided that the determinant of that matrix is equal to 22. Solution. First of all, what is the formula for determinant of M? Determinant can be denoted like a triangle. That is, determinant of M is equal to product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal. So for a 2 by 2 matrix of the form, like in this case, we can write it as A, B, C, D. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. When we say minor diagonal and major diagonal, this one is a diagonal. This one is also a diagonal. Then this is the minor diagonal. This is the major diagonal. So if we say product means multiplication. So the product of the major means A times D. Product of the minor means C times B. Then we subtract. So to get back to the question, our major diagonal is this 3 and x. So we are saying determinant is going to be equal to 3 times x, that is for the major diagonal, minus minor diagonal, we have 5 times -2. Then according to the question, this is equal to 22. So we have a 22 on the other side. Then you multiply 3 times x will give you 3x. 5 times -2 will give us a -10 is equal to 22. Negative times negative will be a positive, so we have 3x plus 10 is equal to 22. And then from there, these are like tens, so they can be added or subtracted, hence we collect the like terms. 3x is equal to 22 minus 10. The 10 is positive, so when it goes there, it becomes a -10. Then you have 3x is equal to 22 minus 10 is going to give you 12. So you divide by 3 there, you divide by 3 there. Therefore, x is equal to 4. We were asked to find the value of x. So just following the way the question has been asked, first of all, we need to know the formula for determinant, because determinant has already been given. Determinant is equal to product of the major diagonal minus product of the minor diagonal. So you identify the diagonals. This is the minor, this is the major. So for the minor diagonal here and for the major diagonal, you find the product for each. In the major diagonal, we have 3 times x, which is here. Then for the minor diagonal, we have 5 times -2, which is this 5 times -2. This negative is coming from the formula. Then remember, it is stated that the determinant is equal to 22. So you put 22 on the other side. After doing that, you multiply 3 times x, you get 3x. 5 times -2, you get -10. At this point, you have two mathematical operations coming one after the other, so you have to identify the mathematical operation to work with by saying negative times negative, giving out a positive. 3x plus 10 are unlike terms, so you collect the like terms. The 10 goes the other side, it becomes a -10. 3x is equal to 22 minus 10. When you subtract 10 from 22, you get 12. You want to find x according to the question, so you divide both sides by 3, meaning this 3 will cancel with that 3. Then 3 there, 1. 3 there, 4. So you have x is equal to 4. This is how we answer part A of this question. We can now go to part B of the same question. For B, hence find the inverse of M. Inverse of a matrix, like in this case M, can be denoted by m to the power -1. Then there's a formula that we use to find inverse of the matrix. It's 1 over determinant. So 1 over determinant of M times the adjoint of matrix M, which will be denoted by M, A, D, J. Then from there, this is going to be equal to 1 over determinant of M. We already have the determinant of M. It's actually this 22. So then to be over 22. Now, adjoint of a matrix. If we have, for example, a matrix A, B, C, D. Maybe this is a -B. If we have to find the adjoint of this matrix, then its adjoint, we actually consider exchanging the positions for the numbers in the major diagonal such that this one goes there, this one comes up. Then for the minor diagonal, what we do is we actually, for this diagonal, we multiply everything by -1 or just change the signs. So in this case, the adjoint of this matrix, it will be equal to, the positions are exchanging. So D comes here, A goes there. This is positive, it will be a -C. This is negative, it will be a positive B, like that. This is the adjoint. So now, in this case, what we are dealing with 3, then -2, 5, and 8. It will be, in this position, we are going to have this 3, it will be x. The position for x will be 3. This 5 will be negative because we have to change the sign, -5. Then the -2 will be a +2. But remember, we have already found the value of x. The value of x is known. So if the value of x is known, then we know that x is equal to 4. -5 there, then we have a 2 in this position and a 3 there. This is the inverse matrix that we are looking for. So to find the inverse of a given matrix, the formula is, it can be denoted by m to the power -1. It still stands for inverse of matrix M. The formula is 1 over determinant of matrix M times M adjoint. I've already told you how to find the adjoint of a matrix. In the major diagonal, they exchange the positions. In the minor diagonal, we change the signs. This 3 comes here, this x goes up. This is what we have here. This becomes positive, this becomes negative. This is what we have here. But x is known, x is 4. So in position of x, we write 4. Hence we have 1 over 22, and that. This is how we get the inverse of matrix M. This marks the end of our lesson. Please, if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do so. It's mathematics all the way until Jesus Christ comes. Take a minute of your time and imagine the world without mathematics.